Hi, I'm Tara Cross, and if you're new here to our channel on Creating Joy, I want to welcome you here, and I hope you enjoy our exciting content for today. So I'm going to show you today how to make a gift card holder. So I found this really cute fall fabric. It says pumpkin love on it, and it's like a pumpkin drink. I love fall so much. Anyway, so fall is on its way, and then I made these cute little pocket tissue holders. So you can stick tissue in here, but I came up with another idea too, because I have birthdays coming up. I am going to put gift cards in here, so it can be a gift card holder. So we're going to talk about how to make little gift card holders today by using this method. And I'm thinking of upcoming birthdays I have. My son's birthday's coming up, so I'm going to do some blue fabric. And then my daughter's birthday is coming up. And both of my daughters love music, so I'm going to make a gift card holder with music fabric and then the blue fabric. So I'm going to show you today how to make a gift card holder. So the first thing we're going to do is take our fabric and cut it 6 inches wide. Okay, once we've got our 6 inches, I'm going to go ahead and trim off the selvage. Okay, and then we're going to do 3.5 inches. So you're going to need 3 pieces for each one that you make, for each gift card holder that you're going to make. And if you want, you could do 4 inches, but I'm going to do 3.5. Okay, now we're going to take 2 of the pieces. We're going to take them, we're going to fold them wrong sides together, so they're folded right in half, and press. Okay, so we're pressing so that we have a sharp edge. Then we're going to take our next piece. We'll just give it a little quick press, make sure it's all. Okay, so this is the ribbon that I chose, and I'm going to go ahead and cut 5 inches. And this is up to you if you want a small little ribbon or a big one. I thought the big ones were really cute. So this is my ribbon that I have on mine. So it's up to you. You can make it smaller if you want, or bigger. Okay, so once you have your ribbon, we're going to go ahead and tape it down, but we're going to tape it towards the center so that it's sticking down right here. And we're going to tape it right across here, and then we're just going to sew back and forth a couple of times to make sure the ribbon doesn't fall off. Okay? Okay, once I'm done with that, just tear off the strings, and I'll take off the tape, set this aside. So now I'm going to be sewing the little pieces that will be the opening of the gift card holder. So on this, I want to start at the fold line. Well, actually, I'm going to start at the open line. I'm not going to sew along the fold, the part that opens. I'm not going to sew. So I'm going to sew right along the edge here. Then I'm going to leave 1/4 inch, and then I'm going to go and do 1/4 inch. And then I'm going to do a chain sewing for all of them. When I'm doing a whole bunch, I like to do them all at the same time. The next step we're going to do is we're going to take our pieces that we've already sewn. We're going to put the sewn part or the crease in the center. Now, if you have put your ribbon right in the center, you can center it if you want, or you can just put your sides together in the side. The whole goal is to have the two centers to go on top of each other, to be layered. So, and that's why I like to put it right in the center of my ribbon, and then put the other one on the center. Once you have it where you want it, go ahead and get a pin and pin it down, and then pin down the other side. I pin it in the middle so I don't really have to take it out, and I want to try and make it as straight as I can. Because there's a little bump on the ribbon, sometimes you just have to press it down a little bit so it's not popping up. So I'm trying to get the lines to line up straight on each other. Okay, and just check it one more time. And then we'll be doing trimming afterwards, so don't worry about excess fabric around. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just start right at the point and then sew around the whole entire thing 2 times to secure the whole thing. So we're going to sew around the whole entire thing twice. Okay, so once you have your little card holders all sewn together, we're going to take them, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut off the corners of each of them, and then we're going to cut around so there's just an 1/8 of an inch just around each of them. Okay, so I'm just going to use this, and just make sure you don't cut off your fabric, your sewing, right? Okay, so we've got those all cut off, and I'm actually going to grab I really like using my board when I'm going to do a lot of cutting and turning. It's nice to use these boards the cutting boards that move. Okay, so once it's all trimmed up, we're going to take it, we're going to reverse it out so the right side is out, poking out the corners good. Then you can give it a little tug. And then you can use your straight pins to pull out the corner. Okay, and then we're going to bring it over here. We're going to press it. And here we have all of our little gift card holders. So when you buy gift cards, usually they come in a little envelope thing like this. And so what you can do is just tear it open and take out your gift card. So here we have a gift card, and then you just slide it inside of your little gift card holder. And then if you want to put a little card inside of a piece, maybe a 3x5 card or something that says to and from, and maybe how much the amount is or whatever, then you can do that. And then you can also tell them that when they're done using this, the gift card, they can also use it for a tissue holder. If you wanted to, you could actually take some tissue and fold and put underneath the gift card so that they would know, well, it can be both. It can be a gift card holder, and now, hey, you've got a tissue holder to use and take it with you. So you got a dual use for your little gift card holder. Well, I'm all ready for my son's birthday party that we're going to. So I'm glad you could follow me today and make a gift card holder with me, and we'll see you next time on Creating Joy. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to make a gift card holder this year for someone you love.